how much should you actually spend on a phone mount for horizontal vents? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Keistel Magnetic Car Mount. First up, we have the Keistel for MagSafe car mount, priced at just $9.98. What caught my attention was its strong magnets and sleek design. If you want a reliable phone holder that keeps your device secure while driving, this is worth a serious look. This mount is designed specifically for MagSafe cases, meaning it can attach directly without needing any extra metal plates. The strong vehicle-grade adhesive ensures it stays firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. With a 360 degrees rotation feature, you can easily position your phone for the best viewing angle. Plus, with over 28,700 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly resonating with users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often make calls or use GPS, this mount lets you do that hands-free and safely. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the installation instructions and clean your dashboard properly, it should stay put. However, if you frequently swap your phone case, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you own an iPhone with a MagSafe case and want a reliable, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you don't use MagSafe or want something for all phone types. Honestly, for $9.98, it's a solid investment. Now, if the MagSafe compatibility bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MirrorCase Phone Holder. Next up is the MirrorCase Phone Holder, priced at $12.34. The metal hook design really stood out to me, and it's also a bestseller. If you want a stable mount that won't fall off your vent, give this a look. This mount features a simplified locking design that grips your car's air vent blades securely, so you don't have to worry about your phone dropping during a drive. It fits phones ranging from 4 to 7.2 inches, making it versatile for most users. The one-hand operation means you can easily insert and remove your phone without any hassle. With a 4.4-star rating from over 42,000 reviews, it's popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want to navigate or change music while driving, this mount allows for quick and safe access to your phone. Some users reported that it doesn't fit well with round vents. But here's the thing, most vehicles have horizontal or vertical vents, so if you drive one of those, you should be fine. If your car has those round vents, then it might not work for you. This is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and budget-friendly holder for everyday use. Skip this one if your car has round vents or you have an oversized phone with a bulky case. For $12.34, it's a great deal for the stability it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer magnetic mounts. Product number 3, MirrorCase MagSafe Holder. Coming in at $15.98, we have the MirrorCase Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. The ultra-strong magnetic stability really captured my attention. If you want a mount that holds your phone securely while also being compatible with MagSafe, check this out. This holder is equipped with 20 high-performance magnets that ensure your phone stays in place even during bumpy rides. The durable dual hook structure fits snugly on air vent blades, while the silicone protection prevents any scratches on your device. With a 4.4-star rating from over 15,700 reviews, it's also popular among MagSafe users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you love using your phone for navigation, this mount provides a stable hold without distracting you from the road. However, some users mention that the metal ring can be a hassle to apply. Here's the thing, while it can be tricky, once it's set up, you won't have to worry about your phone falling off. If you don't want to deal with the installation, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for anyone with a MagSafe-compatible phone wanting a secure and easy-to-use mount. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with extra setup or have a non-MagSafe device. At $15.98, it's a worthwhile investment for the peace of mind it offers. Now, if that installation issue concerns you, the next option might be just what you need. Product number 4, Lamicall Phone Holder. Next up is the Lamicall 2026 Wider Clamp and Metal Hook Car Phone Holder, priced at $9.99. The thick case compatibility is what really caught my eye. If you often use a thicker case on your phone, this one is worth considering. With a wider grip and a fully adjustable foot, this holder accommodates thicker phone cases easily. Plus, it features a 360-degree rotation for optimal viewing angles, so you can easily see your navigation or calls. With a 4.5-star rating from over 14,800 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users who want a reliable mount. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're concerned about your phone slipping out of a mount, this holder provides the added security you need. Some users noted that it might not fit all vent styles. But here's the thing, as long as your car has compatible vent styles, you should be good to go. If you have unique or round vents, this might not work for you. This is perfect for those who use thicker phone cases and want a durable holder that's easy to install. Skip this one if your vents are not compatible with this type of mount. At $9.99, it's a solid choice for the price. Now, if you want something that's ultra stable, let's check out the next option. Product number 5, VICSED Ultra Stable Holder. Last but not least, we have the VICSED Upgrade Ultra Stable Car Phone Holder mount at $24.99. What stood out to me was its promise to never fall off. If you want a holder that's built to last, you should take a closer look. This mount utilizes aviation-grade materials for durability and has a super secure cradle design. With a 4.5-star rating from over 10,900 reviews, it's well rated among users who prioritize stability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often drive on bumpy roads, this holder is designed to keep your phone secure and accessible. However, it's a bit pricier than the others at $24.99. Some might find that a downside. If you're on a tight budget, this might not be the most economical choice for you. This is perfect for those who value durability and need a reliable phone holder for long drives. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. Honestly, for its build quality, it's worth the investment. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great phone mounts for horizontal vents. The Keystall is perfect for MagSafe users, while the Mira case offers great stability. The second Mira case is ideal for magnetic lovers, and Lamicall is excellent for thicker cases. Finally, the VICSED provides top-notch stability for those who drive on rough roads. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.